Hello, my friend. Hello, guys. Hello, everyone. May I greet you a wonderful and amazing day. Today, we are going to talk about Langkaanuan, Barangay Langkaanuan of Cavite, Dasmariñas. Langkaanuan is a barangay in the city of Dasmariñas, in the province of Cavite. Its population is determined by the 2020 census was 26,931. This represented 3.83% of the local population of Dasmariñas. The household population of Langkaanuan in the 2015 census was 21,412, broken down into 5,748 households on an average of 3.73 members per household. According to the 2015 census, the age group of the highest population in Langkaanuan is 20 to 24 with 2,981 individuals. Conversely, the age group with the lowest population is 80 and over with 57 individuals. Combining age groups together, those aged 14 and below consisting of the young dependent population, which include infants, babies, children, and young adolescents, teenagers, make up an average of 25.93% or 5,556. Those aged 15 up to 64, roughly the economically active population and actual potential members of the workforce, constitute a total of 71.71% or 15,364. Finally, all dependent population consisting of the senior citizens, those aged 65 and over, total 2.36% or 506 in all. The computed age dependency ratios mean that among the population of Langkaanuan, there are 36 youth dependents to every 100 of the working age population. There are 3 aged senior citizens to every 100 of the working population. And overall, there are 39 dependents, young and old age, to every 100 of the working population. The median age of 25 indicates that half of the entire population of Langkaanuan are aged less than 25, and the other half are over the age of 25. Just a glimpse of historical population. The population of Langkaanuan grew from 3,090 in 1995 to 26,939 in 2020, an increase of 23,849 people over the course of 25 years. The latest census figures in 2020 denote a positive growth rate of 4.94% or an increase of 5,513 people from the previous population of 21,426 in 2015. Langkaanuan is situated at approximately 14.2939 and 120.9387 in the island of Luzon. Elevation at these coordinates is estimated at 136.5 meter or 447.8 feet above mean sea level. Langkaanuan shares a common border with the following barangays: Sampaloc 1, Dasmariñas, Cavite; Sampaloc 2, Dasmariñas, Cavite; Sampaloc 5, Dasmariñas, Cavite; Langkaan 2, Dasmariñas, Cavite; San Agustin 1, Dasmariñas, Cavite; Adlas, Silang, Cavite; Beluso, Silang, Cavite; Zone 3, Poblacion, Dasmariñas, Cavite. Barangay Langkaanuan was originally a part of the land holding called haciendas of the Spanish friars during the Spanish regime. The Spaniards constructed several irrigation dams. One of these is the famous dam called the San Agustin Dam, located at the western boundary of the barangay. It was completed in the year 1885. Subdivisions found in Langkaanuan, just to mention a few: Westwood Highlands, Woodtown Residences Subdivision, Cedarwood Residences, West Beverly Hills by Solar, and Villa Elena Subdivision. Some industrial establishments found in Langkaan 1 and nearby Langkaan. To name and mention a few: Cavite Techno Industrial Supply, Pongpong Industrial Company, Camvel Manufacturers Corporation, Osio Philippines, Mitsuba Philippines Corporation, Malinta Corrugated Boxes Manufacturing, Mitsuba Philippines Corporation, First Cavite Industrial Estate, Gridtech Philippines Incorporated, Kessel Industrial, Thermoware Manufacturing Company, Speedliner Manufacturing Corporation, Harada Automotive Antenna, PHC Incorporated. And to mention also resorts found inside Langkaan and nearby Langkaan: Stevenson Resort, Blue Moon Resort, V Resort Dasma, Villa LC Resort, Baclair Resort, The Farm Shack Resort, Patio Buendia, Villa Feliciana Farm and Resort, Bungad Beluso Resort De Hera, Villa Sofia, Silang Cavite, Woodside Farm and Water Parks, CMJ Private Resort, Eden Vega Resort, Geoffrey Gardens and Wedding, The Park, Santo Niño Eco Park Resort, Valle Azul Resort, Villa Pelomina Springs Nature Resort, The Ravine by Juan Sala, Meds Resort, Casili Hills Resort and Events. Well, churches found in Langkaan and nearby Langkaan: St. Paul Parish Church, Langkaan 1, United Pentecostal Church, Langkaan, Baptist Church, Langkaan Road, Blessed Faith Baptist Church, One in Christ Church, Covenant Bible Center Baptist Temple, WCF Church, Providence Baptist Church, Palapala United Methodist Church, GIL Church, IRM Ministries, Langkaan Christian Ministries, Light of Jesus, Kenneth Catholic Church, Parish of the Good Shepherd Church, JIOS World Mission Church, Christ Our Portion Ministry. Well, so much for that, for the places and other establishments mentioning about it. Langkaan 1 is a fast developing barangay. Although in Langkaan 1 you will find a lot of government and private establishment, but still you can also find agricultural areas, agricultural land planted with coconut trees, pineapple fruits, sugar canes, dragon fruits, mangoes, jackfruits, rice, and corns, and other farm crops. Employment opportunities is quite good in this area. Business opportunities is also good since this is a fast-growing population area. And this place, Langkaan 1, is quite a peaceful place to live. Although we cannot discount the possibility of some occurrence, some untoward incidents and some criminalities, but very slight. Just like any other barangays, the whole nation of the Philippines. Any barangay here in the Philippines, from Manila, from Luzon, Visayas, and Mindanao, is not perfect. It's not 100% crime-free. And in general, Langkaan 1 is a safe place to live and conduct business or employment or some kind of exploring the place. Just continue watching this video that we showed to you along Langkaan Road for you to enjoy a virtual ride from Westwood Highlands subdivision up to Humayao area. We already passed Village Park and now we are Cedarwood subdivision.
Small lang, baka nito
Now approaching at Stevenson Hideaway.
Can you find?
On our left side is West Beverly Hills subdivision.
Nakapasok sa yung walang style na
Boss! Pwedeng makeup yan, boss. Tingnan ko yung kuhan, yung mga magpapaservice sa school. Mga bata. Service? Oo. Alam mo yung black na ano? Hindi.
Pwede lumikot lang.
Kahit doon sa clubhouse na lang. Hindi.
Kailangan tayong ano kasi.
May...
Tatanong ka kung sino yung sino.
Oo.
Bakit niya?
Ikot lang ako, Dad. O kahit isang block lang, ganon.
Hindi, ganun yung kayo.
Ikot dyan sa kanan. Oo.
Lalo yung mga house nila dito maganda.
Opo. Ganda naman.
Yung nga dito banda sa may dito sa may ganda dito.
Nakapasok.
Sana dito lang ako.
So,
Wala.
anong view dyan, Bob? Hindi ba nagbago?
Kita nila. Kita nila yung kagulingan.
Sige, construction.
Ayun yung iba ba yan dyan?
Ito yung
Maliit lang ito.
Mga single detached yan siya.
Maliit.
Maliit lang din. May tulay pala dyan.
Parang naabot natin sila Kung sila yung mga bahay.
Walang tao siguro. May tao pero parang walang tao yung labas nila. Sa kakalat. Tulog na si Inay ba?
Nasarado yung eyes niya, pero meron mga pupils.
Yeah.
Maghanap na lang.
Pwede kayo mag-iwan sa akin ng contact number, sir.
Ay, ano ko lang yung...
Na nagpalipat sila ng drone. Drone ba yun?
Yeah.
Practice droning. Drowning. Practice drowning.
We are now here at the
Kutsil, bumaba talaga daw.
Parang area, or I rather call it Parang campsite. approaching school zone. Langkaan Elementary School and
Hold ka lang dyan, ha?
Edelberto Legazpi Integrated High School.
Ay, inayos nila, gano'n. Ano ginagawa nila? Poste. Tural, ayusin nila yung bangon. High school. Uy, meron mga banderitas. National Learning Camp. May magka-campaign.
Sa stage.
On the right turn is going to
Meron
Ashulan.
din maganda dyan eh. Pero
Baka,
paakyat.
kaya na ready nila yun, baka pag pupunta kami ulit sa school, mamaya kunti, magka-practice camping kami.
Opo.
Kaya na ready nila. Dati nakita ko din na ready na yung tent.
Opo. Di ba nakarangan ng camera dyan, Barb?
Hindi.
Sige, ikaw mo ka noon ang ka. Kami naman.
Approaching now in Abut Kamay.
Wala na, nakulungkot na yung kamera. Ay, naku, dami.
Baka part of the video yung ingay mo.
Abot naman. Punta tayo hanggang sa Juan. Doon sa mega facility. Kahit bagong ano naman to eh. Mega facility. Langkaan to. Dalo ang bahay nito eh, diya dito po sa tabo. Parang nag-letter C. Letter U or C.
Maglangkaan tayo.
Langkaan to eh.
Langkaan to.
Langkaan to. Ito yung kay Ganya. Yung dating...
Lumipat ka.
Oo. Nagka-ano din eh. Nagkaka-silosan din yung tatang.
Patapos na din mga house dito.
Opo.
Si dami twisted banda dito.
Wala siya buhay.
Laway na.
As you can see, the road is very nice, and the sides of the road you will see greens, lot of trees.
Bigla kang tumawid. Bigla tumawid. Oh. Tuan ka, nalituan. Si cellphone ka. dito sa loob nito. Wala yun. Gising na gising.
May hams pala.
Kaya pala nag-minor yung tricycle. So ano pala dyan? FCI yung doon. Pero itong bako din ito sa FCI. Tinaasan.
Ay, bakit? Bakit?
Tinaasan. Binarbuhan. Dito parang nag-istamba yung jae.
Isan pala yan.
Sige, mauna ka. Nadine? Sabi si Nadine.
Driving.
May lusutan pala doon. Ay, Julia!
Area pala.
Pista!
Sa August 10 yata. Pista. Ewan ko kung sasama dito. Sabay dito at saka yung sa Westwood. Nakalagay dun sa Westwood August 10 eh.
Buong langkaan yun. Langkaan 1.
May perya. May tractor sa likod.
Pwede tayo maglaro dyan. Sa Augustin.
Yan, Mimin, tawid.
Dapat yung
Ayun, yatin tayo pagbalik.
Baka ano. Hindi ito mga QC.
May mga e-bike na dito nga ba? Bakit? Dumaan namin kami dito eh. Sige, tabi tayo para mauna ka.
Ano na itong lugar na ito ba?
Sa dulo na lang tayo.
Ano itong
We are now at Humayao area.
Yung abot kamay yung nandoon. At kalimutan ko eh. Asyungan yung sa kabila.
Abot natin.
Hindi ito yung Mayaw.
Ay, Humayaw.
Daddy ko, anong school yan? Anong school yan?
Elementary at high school. Yan o. Humayaw
Meron pa din
Elementary.
pala dito.
Oo.
So, ano to? Private?
Public.
Public?
Public.
Kaya pala may na ano kami iba yung uniform. Meron na rin pala dito.
Dito nagturo yung isang taga-Westwood na yung si ma'am sa
Ano yun?
Hiliran na floor. Humayaw. Yung cellphone repair pa dito.
Pa-repair ako?
Sira ang cellphone mo. Susirain pa lang.
Pera. May basit kasi ako dito.
May bakat.
Palitan mo
May
yung bago.
basit ko.
Yeah.
Kunting laki lang.
Dahil sa tulog.
Kasi
Natao
luma
namin
na
dito.
yung phone na to, Daddy Lo eh.
Hmm.
Nung tupak,
Police. Oh. May pa injection o meron dito? Baka meron dito siguro. Ay,
pupunta pa lang sila doon sa may ano.
Parang merong nadaan, sabi ni Babong, parang huli daw.
ay, yung dulo parang basketballan.
Ayan na.
Ayan, basketballan. Pero yung dulo talaga, di na madaanan. Big end. At sila may covered court sila dito. Yeah. Bayan bill.
Umuulan, konti.
Wala na, uwi na tayo pag ganun. Baka lumakas ang ulan pala. Sagad natin dyan sa dulo ng kalsada. Sabi ko, sira yung kalsada. May manufacturing din ah.
Yan na yung ano, pinakadulo. Ano yata? Yung mix yata yun. Oh, ito na pala yun.
May school yan.
Pasukan ka na pa eh. Ayan ang hati na yung kalsada.
Pwede siguro umikot dyan.
At this time, we already reached
Para makalabas.
the end portion of Langkaan Road via Humayao area.
May hall.
Sa lubong.
Thank you for watching, guys.
Kanya hindi.
I hope you all enjoyed this video.
Iba, ano na yun, yung ano, siguro gate na yun ng TCI. Yung Umix.
Thank you guys for being with us till the end of this video. Bye-bye.